Can you see it? Can you see it, man?
Yeah.
That's a mantis. Wow. Look at that. It's like a stick leaf, dry leaf mantis.
I think it's been long time enough. Get more closer. Mantis doesn't bite. Mantis doesn't bite, no, Papa?
Yeah. It bites leaves, I think.
Or it doesn't bite people. Look, it's eating some leaves.
You give the commentary. What is the mantis doing, you know?
Yeah, it's just... It's going to eat a plant. That plant, new plant. It's okay if it eats a plant.
It's okay.
Yeah.
What kind of mantis is this? It's like a dry leaf mantis. Crazy.
How did it get
Wow, look at that.
that